Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn how to make a control switch in electrical wiring. If you are new here, don't forget to click on the subscribe button so that every video we upload you get it. First of all, the main live wire goes into the first switch to supply power. When the main power gets into the first switch, the two dead cables transfer power from the first switch to the second switch, which means these two dead cables will be interchanging power. So when the two dead cables interchange power, it transfers to the bulb directly. Please note that in electrical wiring, the main neutral is connected directly to the bulb. Kindly subscribe to our channel for more videos and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you.